Oh shit. Oh snap. I'm back, man. I don't even remember how to stream. I don't have any of my windows up. I don't have my other camera set up for the like starting soon screen. I'm slacking, man. That's what's happening. Let me get everything set up though. Get my YouTube chat going on. Get my activity feed. Is that it? That might be it, man. We are live. All right. I guess we can chill for a little bit. Oh man, I haven't done any LeetCode while I've been away. Zero LeetCode, man. Haven't even looked at the daily problems, none of that junk. Is my microphone working? Microphone check. Check, check. All right, man. I was trying to set up my other camera, but I ran out of time. I think I should have it up for the next stream, though. What are y'all saying? Should I just start with the daily problem? Yeah, I might do that. Let's go, man. Well, maybe let me update my website. Take out this red text. Maybe I'll replace it with, I forget the dates I'll be away. Yeah, let me update that real quick. Because I'll be going to Zurich for work. So maybe I'll be away from May 16th to 28th or something. Yeah, something like that. The real Raymond Jones. How's it going, man? Long time. Well, I popped into your stream, but long time no see in this stream. Back from the motherland. That is right, man. We're back from the dang motherland. It's a good time. It was a good time indeed. I just spent most of it chilling with my family. I took my brother around. My brother isn't born there, so it was good for him to get back, you know. What I eat, man, whatever I ate made me gain 5 pounds in Rosis. That's why I'm thinking about buying a dang Peloton or something. I gotta get active, man. I'm out here eating fried chicken and French fries all day. I can't be doing that these days, man. I'm too old. Gotta use a G gym now. It's too crowded in there. Mario, what's happening? Dang, ad starts in 50 seconds. They're gonna hit us with an ad as soon as we start streaming, man. I guess I'll wait until the dang ad is over before I actually start doing things. For now, I suppose I'll chill before I like look at the LeetCode daily and all that stuff. Man, Mario. I'm trying to see if I can read Roman numerals. 19. Shit, 1999. Right? I think so. That took a lot of effort to read. 1999? Yeah, I think so. Anyways, is the ad playing right now? Maybe. Ain't no one using that stuff anymore. Yeah, ain't nobody except the Super Bowl or something. Smart Coder, how you doing, man? Welcome to the party. Will you be able to visit any places while being in Zurich or only work? Yeah, I have like 3 days to go do whatever I want, like the weekend and stuff. So I will be going to some places, but probably gonna keep it in Switzerland. Like, I don't think I'll be going anywhere else. Welcome back. Thank you very much, Smart Coder. I feel a little bit rusty. Alright, looks like we're officially in an ad break. So after this ad break, I'm gonna jump into the daily problem and see what's up. And if you don't want to watch the dang ads, there's always the YouTube thing going on. I should have my YouTube link ready, but no ads on YouTube. Anyways, you know, it's about to get real. I've been taking a lot of footage. You guys want to see some? I don't even know if I should show you these videos yet. Maybe I should like save them until I actually get a YouTube video ready. Heck yeah, man, you think I should show y'all? Maybe I'll give y'all a little glimpse to see like what I'm working with. I don't know, man. All right, real quick. You should take our feedback and post it on YouTube. That's how some streamers do it. What do you mean, take the feedback and post it on YouTube? You mean like show you what I have and then you guys critique and then I go actually make a real YouTube video and then upload it? I haven't even really... It's like so early in the creation process that I don't even know if I want to show it, you know what I'm saying? Because it's so unfinished right now. But anyways, I think I've hyped it up too much. I've been talking about it too much. So maybe... Let me turn it down. Wait. Can y'all see that? Let me see. Hold up. How am I? Nice music. Yeah, it's from one of those royalty-free musics. First 3 seconds are fire. Thank you very much. All right, let me play like 10 seconds or something. Anyways, I showed y'all my little river right here. I'm planning to do like some voiceovers or maybe like record myself talking about something and then have this as like B-roll somewhere. But these are just random clips from my village, I guess. Oh, look at that t-shirt, man. Yeah, this is all B-roll stuff. Anyways, this is my river. I posted it earlier in the Discord, but not with like a video like this. This is literally, I grew up on this river. My house is like right there. The water is hella blue. Yeah, it is. Colombia, that shit is brown. It depends on how close you are to the source. Because I think it gets brown if it's like super rain, all the muddy water gets in there or something. I don't know, some rivers are brown. But anyways, this is just some tiny B-roll footage. I got a lot more things I gotta go through. This is just like one day. There's the river, man. Anyways, that's all I got for y'all for now. One day, everything will be cut up into a YouTube video. As soon as I can figure out my script, I guess. And then when I go to Zurich, hopefully I'll get some more footage, some more B-roll over there. Anyways, man. Oh, Esteban Vera from YouTube. My bad, I didn't see this message, but what's happening? How you doing? You don't even need to hard script it. Depends on your style. Yeah, I want to like have like something I'm saying. I want to talk about something like a talking head video, kind of like this, I guess, but without that stuff. The whole window, just like full screen, talking about some junk. Maybe I'm talking about how I used to just chill by the river, and then one day I decided to go to America to try and like get hired at Google or something, you know. Anyways, check out Data Problem. Story time. Yeah, I want to give a story, but I don't think so. The thing, I feel like I have to write down my story, man. Bet Simp, what's happened? Do you check out my pastas on Reddit? What you talking about, Bet Simp? Zombie Chow in the house. I haven't seen you in a minute, Zombie. What's happening? You came back for a linked list week? Oh man, I hate linked lists. Is it all linked lists? Delete node, remove nodes, double a number represented as a linked list. Gross. Should I just cheat, man? No, I can't cheat. All right, I'll do it for real. I'll do it for real. I don't even know how to do it for real. I guess I have some ideas. Maybe I'll do it in a bit. Man, is this you posting this junk, Bet Simp? I think I did read them, or at least some of them. Read. Wait, so you're making like a bunch of accounts to post these, or what? Oh, so part one was somebody else, and then you posted part two. I see. Yeah, I think I read this, and when I read this part, I was like, oh man, this sounds like Bet Simp right there. Got a mod warning? What you talking about? Oh, snap, right here. Yeah. LeetCode circle jerk. That's where you belong, it seems. Interesting. Man, LeetCode Reddit. All right, here we go. Double a number represented as a linked list. You are given the head of a non-empty linked list representing a non-negative integer without leading zeros. Return the head of the linked list after doubling it. Man, I guess the first thing I'd do is like reverse it. Reverse the linked list. Then add all the numbers together, like double them, and have the carry and carry that all the way to the end and then reverse it again. That's my strategy here. Let me see if I can even implement that. Here we go. Can I reverse a linked list? Let me try that first. Should I just make a function? Reverse. How do you reverse? When I did during the contest, I found out Python has a limit to cast to int. What you talking about, man? Python has a... Oh, like you tried to cast the whole linked list to an int, but yeah, I suppose if it's like... Oh, 10,000 numbers, 10,000 digits. Yeah, that's probably too big. So how do I reverse a linked list? So I go through, and then I want the previous, I want the current node to point to the previous node, right? So, wait, let me think. I'm gonna need more than long, man. Yeah. Gonna need that super long, man. What am I doing? Alright, I'm setting the current node to the previous node. And then the previous node becomes the current node. And then the current node is the next. So this will reverse it, I think. Then we just return previous. Alright, so first things first. Well, this doesn't return anything. Maybe I should make it return something. Reverse linked list. Alright, so that should give us the reverse. And then now I want to go through this. So how do I do this? I need to like multiply it by 2, right? Do I add the carry like that? And then I'm gonna say something like, wait, is this gonna work, man? Let me think. 999. So 18. I pop down the 8. I carry the 1. Yeah. So if val is greater than 9, then is that how it works? So if we're double digits, then it's mod 10, and then we have a carry of 1. Maybe I should make like a new linked list. How do you create a linked list? New list node. And then I guess I just put the dummy next. Hold on, man. I think I'm gonna confuse myself a bit because dang, Pats, hello world, what's happening? How you doing, Pat? What you doing out there? I see you playing some video games, man. What's happening with the LeetCode, Pat? How's that going for you? Yeah. Have you been like losing steam on the LeetCode, Pat? Or what's up? I haven't really been watching Twitch, so I don't know what's the latest. Funny you ask that. Low key? Wait, what happened? Did I miss something? Tell me everything, Pat. What is going on? Has everyone been streaming lately? BetSimp, have you been streaming? I've seen Real Raymond Jones a couple times. I don't know if it's every day. In Rosis, have you been streaming, man? I think I've seen to you. Like come on sometime. Don't defense. What's happening? Type racer time. All right, easy work for the type racer. Ain't nobody here, so it's gonna be an easy championship. You ready? I guess we can just jump into the type racer. Did a couple of times. Man, I guess Chi-Chi's like out on vacation too, right? I think he went to like Argentina or something. Now I'm just gonna chill for a bit. Just had my last round yesterday night. Are you talking about TikTok, man? You feel good enough to chill? That means you probably did well, man, if you feel like you can just chill. Let me hit them in the Discord with the type racer. All right, here we go. First race is just the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Y'all ready? Let's go. Dang, I'm not even logged in. Jeez. All right, dang, that was just a warm-up. Everybody's a little bit slow for that warm-up. It's all good, don't you worry. Tips on how to teach myself programming. I'm struggling and my goal is to find a work from home job. Ishvar, I'll answer that after this type racer. I have some tips, but they're probably not the tips you're looking for. Nothing quite like a 10:30 p.m. Sunday interview, dang. I guess that's like China time or something, man. Or are they all working so hard at TikTok that they only have time to interview at 11 p.m.? LeetCode added a better layout for contests, did they? Oh snap, maybe I should take like the virtual contest after I do the daily. Man, who joined the race and quit, man? Holding up the championship round. There's some guy in China, okay. Glump! What's happening, Glump? I've caught a couple of your streams just very briefly. But I've seen that you started to stream, man, and man, you are a beast, super beast. Hopefully I can catch some more of your streams soon, now that I'm back. That would be cash money. Q Ultimus. How you doing, Q? Long time no see. What's poppin'? We got a little type racer, man. I don't know if you're in here, Q. But now is the time to get in, because the championship round is about to begin. Alright, let's go, let's go. 11 people out here. Waiting for the owner to start. Man. I am the owner. What are you talking about, man? How are they gonna do me like that? Is it because I logged in? Alright, we might have to redo this. This is crazy. What the hell are they doing out here, man? Wait. Hold on. I think I don't know what kind of link I posted there. But alright, we might have to like get a new racetrack, it seems. Jesus Christ, man. Type racer sucks. Alright. New racetrack. You delayed so more people join? Nah, man. Alright, here is the real racetrack. Oh, shit. Man, I'm messing up all types of things today. So, there's gonna be no warm-up round. We already did it. This is the dang championship round immediately. Oh, snap. Not gentle. I just seen to you, man. What's happened? Alright, here we are. This is the real racetrack. Let's go. Starting. Oh, no condom, Chris. I see you. What's up? Starting now. In a few seconds. Dang, that's the fastest race I've ever seen. The real Raymond Jones, champion of the world. Dang, is that your first championship? Sick. That is sick, man. Look at that. That was a crazy finish. Jesus Christ. 3 people over 120. Yeah. Look at that. Not gentle. Jesus. In Rosis with the 106. Q with, dang, who won that? The real Raymond Jones with the 123. That was an exciting race, that's for sure, man. That was probably the most thrilling type racer I have ever been a part of. Easily. Alright, here we go. Man, what a crazy race. Man, I was about to say, who is this, man? Somebody hacks my dang website. I don't even know this name, but it's probably legit. What is today? May 6th. The real Raymond Jones 123, the brand new type racer champion of the world. Congrats, man. That's a big accomplishment. You can probably put that on your resume now, and maybe you'll get some callbacks after they see that. That might be the craziest achievement out here. That was a loaded race too. There's so many fast people in that race. Anyways, enough with the nonsense. Your trip increased your WPMs? Nah, that was just an easy passage, I think. Seems like they still didn't add the test case for last week's Q3 Gonna do the virtual after? Yeah, maybe I'll do the virtual after this daily. Race went crazy, not gentle. What is happening? Where's my chat at? Is it this one? What is happening, not gentle? Long time no see, man. How is everything going? It's your boy, not gentle. That's right, man. How's work? How's life? How's the bay, man? I forget what I was doing here. Things are good. Launching first product this month. That is exciting, man. Is this your first launch? Or, I mean, I guess it's your first product. So yeah, it sounds like it. Hopefully you got some good monitoring going on. Popping my cherry. Congrats, man. Alright. So I just gotta make that the value, right? So I was thinking, man, maybe I shouldn't make a dummy. That's what I was thinking. Maybe I should not make a dummy. Hold on, man. I gotta think about this a little bit. I think I'm getting confused. Killing it over there in New York? I guess. I wouldn't say I'm killing it, but I think I'm doing a lot better than in the Bay, you know. The office food is okay. It's not the same as in the Bay. I think the Bay had a lot more choices if you're willing to take a little drive. But I guess the food's alright, man. New team, really like it. It's right up my alley. Alright, let me think. So yeah, I think I'm not going to use a new node. I think I'm just going to replace this with that. And then we'll be like if carry wait, do I need like a previous? So if carry, that means we have to add one more node to the end of this. Then we'll be like previous next equal new list node with 1, right? I think so. And then now we need to reverse it again. So we need to reverse it again. Can I do that? Alright, let me see if this works, man. And then I'm ready to move on with my life. Man, look at that. If it works on the first try, I'm pretty proud. Because usually there's always some type of dang error going on with this type of stuff. And I coded this up with a little type eraser break in between and just slayed it up, man. Maybe it wasn't too bad though. I've done this dang add numbers together so many times that I guess I kind of know all the edge cases by now. L front end, how you doing? What is the link to this page? This is the daily problem for LeetCode. It's right there. All right, so now the daily is over. Should I do the virtual contest or what's up? Yeah, maybe, right? Which contest did I miss? I missed like all of these, man. I think I missed, yeah, the 27th. Should I start with the bi-weekly 129? Or what? All right, let me see. 396 for the entertainment. Dang, is this the super controversial one you trying to make me take right now? 396 is nice. Oh lordy. All right, I'll do it. I'll do it. Here we go. Virtual contest start. Let me see what y'all talking about. They redid the contest page or something. Lets you choose. Oh, dynamic layout. No, I like the classic contest mode, man. Dang, look at the hell. All right, a word is considered valid if it contains a minimum of 3 characters. It contains only digits 0 through 9 and English letters. It includes at least 1 vowel. It includes at least 1 consonant. Man. You are given a string word. Return true if word is valid. Otherwise, return false. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can do this, man. So at least 1 vowel, at least 1 consonant, and only digits and upper and lowercase letters. Dang, how am I gonna do this, man? Is vowel. I guess I'll just do A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. And then man, how am I gonna do this one easy? Is consonant. How do I code this up? I can't even spell that, man. Consonant. Oh lordy. I guess if is alpha. Oh, this is gonna be Jesus. This is like not case sensitive. Can I do that? Let's convert it to lore. And then if it's an alphabet and if it's not a vowel, right? Maybe. I guess I could just return. Hopefully that's correct logic. And then I guess we have is digit to tell if it's a digit. So it needs to be 3 characters long. So if it's less than 3, then it's false. If it's is what check? So I need to check if it's alphanumeric. Is there like a is alphanumeric? Is alnum? Yeah. All right, I like that. So I'll iterate through the characters in Word, and then if it's not alnum, then we can return false, right? Dang, how do you do this? So we need at least one vowel, one consonant. So bool has vowel. Consonants. I'm gonna just call that has cons. All right, and then we just need to return has vowel and has cons, right? I hope so, man. Let's see. The hell? True, false, false. True, false, false. Should I just send it, man? Not bad, not bad. Took a long time to do that one, though. A lot longer than a normal Q1 for me. What's this? Q2. Minimum number of operations to make word K periodic. You're given a string word of size n and an integer k such that k divides n. In one operation, you can pick any two indices I and j that are divisible by k. Then replace the substring of length k, starting at I, with the substring of length k, starting at j. That is, replace the substring there with there. All right. Return the minimum number of operations required to make word k periodic. We say that word is k periodic if there is some string s of length k such that word can be obtained by concatenating s an arbitrary number of times. For example, if word is AB, 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 then word is 2 periodic for s equal AB. I don't even know what that's asking, man. So, look at an example. LeetCode leet k is 4. Answer is 1. Can obtain a 4 periodic string by picking I equals 4 and j equals 0. What are they talking about, man? Two periodic for AB. So that means it repeats twice or something. No, it doesn't. Contest problem statements. Yeah, usually I need time to like figure out what the question is asking, man. Let me look at this one. So LeetCode leet k equal 2. The answer is 3. 2 periodic string by applying the operations in the table below. I equals there. J equal there. So I replace this with this. Okay. And it becomes that. Oh, snap. 2 periodic means 2 repeats. 4 means leet. Leet is 4 and it repeats. I see. All right. Dang, so how do you do this? if I just find the most common substring of k equals 2, so in this case it would be et appears twice, got le appears once, and I guess it would have to be at intervals of k equal 2 or something. Sergeant Pepper, what's happening? How you doing, man? Welcome to the party. All right, so I think that's like the strategy here. So you find out the most repeating substring of a certain window size or something, and then like you find out like how many you need to change to that. So that's what I do. I can try and implement it real soon. Yes, this contest, I'm about to go off on LeetCode. Are you gonna post a message like what numbers, and sometimes like AWise does it when they're angry? You should let us know when you make that message so we can upvote that. Hope your trip went well. Sergeant Pepper, it went very well, man. Top 10, yeah, shit, I saw that, BetSimp. I saw you post that. Congrats on the top 10. Unfortunately, I feel you. I feel your pain, man. I'm really curious to see what you do for Q3. All right, let me try and solve Q2 properly first. So I think what I'm trying to do is just go slide a dang window, man. At k equals like take every k substrings or something, but I don't know how to do that efficiently. Let me see. So let me just loop through I plus equals to k. And then I just want to like get the substring, right? So word, how do you do a substring? Substir? No. I don't even remember, man. Substir. All right. Sword. Word.substir. And I guess it would be from I to K or something like that. And then how do I find the max? And is it always all right? I guess we just, yeah, I guess we can just find like something like that, right? And then I don't know if this is right. 1 3. Should I send this? I'd be not too sure, man, but I'll send it. Too easy, man, too easy. All right. Q3, the moment of truth. What Enrosis has been waiting for. Damn, total is smart. Don't need to go through the counts again. Yeah, because we just want to like see how many chunks. I mean, we don't even need to calculate total, right? I think we could do that by dividing n by k or something. Let me see if that would work. maybe, I don't know. Yeah, n divided by k, but you know, just to make sure, I just counted it manually. JCast19, what's happening? How you doing? I'm back only for a little bit though before I go to Zurich. All right, here we go, man. Minimum length of anagram concatenation. You're given a string S, which is known to be a concatenation of anagrams of some string T. Return the minimum possible length of string T. An anagram is formed by rearranging the letters of a string. For example, AAB and ABA and BA are anagrams of AAB. What are they asking, man? When? I'll be going like on the 16th or 17th of May. Interesting. Did they reworded it slightly? I don't know what the controversy was for this problem yet. So I still don't really know what it's asking. Minimum length concatenation. So one possible string T could be BA and then CDEF. CD, I see. So they're saying like I would think binary search. That's not would. That's what I am thinking. I'm thinking binary search, and to validate, we would just see that every chunk of whatever we guess has the same letters. So if, or something, right? But maybe that's not such a great... That's my first thought, but let me think a little bit more. He has no idea what even happened. Yeah, I don't know what happened, man. So we're trying to find the minimum length substring where all substrings, all chunks of substrings of that length are anagrams of each other, right? So I don't know how to do that without binary searching. And then... But then I don't know if binary search will work because like we need to only choose chunks that are like fully divisible or divide into the full length equally, right? So like if we tried 3, we'd say that it doesn't work. But then how do you know to go high or low on 3 since it's not divisible? So maybe binary search isn't the answer. But man, a lot of people solved it. So let me think a little bit more. I mean, I guess I could still binary search if I just made sure all the numbers I chose were divisible into this thing. So it could be up to 10 to the 5th. I suppose. Hold on, let me think. I don't know what to do, man. Maybe we can. What can we do? I don't know, man. I really don't know. I'm still on this binary search thing in my mind. But I think I should move away from it and think of something else. Like maybe the positions of each individual letter will tell us where we can split things, or something like that, maybe. Because this one has all unique characters. So if it has all unique characters, I mean, there's only 26 characters. It's like if the string is like length 3, then we should only try like chunks of 1 or chunks of 3. It doesn't make sense to try chunks of 2. And And alright, so if I were to try binary search and a chunk of 2 doesn't work, does that mean I try a bigger chunk? Asia C Mac in the house. What's happening, Asia C Mac? Trying to do a virtual contest, but it's hard. How was vacay? Vacay was good. I went all around. I went into the river. I showed a little video earlier, but I don't think you're here. Should I show it again or nah? I don't know if I should show it again. You want to see? Should I show it again? All right, maybe a lot of people missed it. So I'll show it real quick. Wait. It's just a little video with some B-roll that I might use in YouTube videos in the future. That's my brother, by the way. That's me. That's my river. It's not my river. It kinda is. Reppin' LeetCode. Yeah. Around the world, man. This is the river. All the tourists go by this river. That's Jamaica. I was there a couple months ago. Yeah, this is Jamaica. Where were you? Stovoy. I have a lot more clips that I'll probably try and edit. Ryu Ocho Rios. Dang, I know that dang place, man. I've been there a few times. It's it's pretty fun. That's good to know. Good to hear. I don't know what's there to that Ryu. Rainy day. Yeah, it was pretty rainy. I guess people just drink at Ryu. Maybe go kayaking or something. Dang. How do you solve this problem, man? Went horseback riding. Man, I would never go horseback riding. I'm so scared. I think I went horseback riding when I was a child, and then the horse just went nuts and he started to like go crazy, man. Ever since, I would never go back on a horse. Wouldn't recommend it, yeah. Neither would I, man. Oh, I have an idea. How about gathering up all the letters that appear in the string? So this, we have 2 letters that appear. And then we gotta like grow the window or something until we get all the letters in there. But will it work for all the cases? I don't know. Let me see this problem. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. So if I have, I don't know how to test all this stuff. So if I have like a string like this, we'll see we only have A, B's, and C's. So then we can just keep going. Until we get the chunk. And then it must be chunks of that size, right? Not necessarily. Because it could be like A, B. Oh, maybe I need to like count how many characters. Maybe I need to like a frequency map, or like how many times each letter occurs. And then gotta do something with that, because like what if we had, I don't know, A, B, B, A, B, A, or something. Then we only have A and B, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A's, and we have 3 B's. So what does that mean, man? Maybe that means the minimum. The smallest count is the size. The smallest count is the size. Does that? No. Let me try and disprove that. What if we have A, B, A, B, B? B, 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 A, B. So then we'll have like 9 A's and 6 B's, but this doesn't mean that 6 is the size. The size is 5. Nine A's, oh, 9 A's, 6 B's, but the total length is 15. I don't know what I'm doing, man. How do I know that we can chunk this into 5s? 9. Three. How do I know 3s? 3s? Do I just divide this by 3s? It's a math problem, man. Big spoilers? Alright, good thing I didn't read that, man. Should I read it? Don't read the spoiler. Alright. Well, I won't read it. But I still don't know what to do. I'm thinking if we have a total length of 15. Oh, Mario, thank you very much for the hydrate. Cheers. Man, this problem is hard. Length 15. Challenge me to LeetCode in Rust and I'll do it. Hermes TV, how are you doing? You'll do what? What are you gonna do? LeetCode? Oh man. All right, let me think of a different case here. What if we had like A, B, 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 A, B, and whatever, B, B, A. This length is 6, 18. We have how many A's? 12 A's. And how many B's? 6 B's. And this answer should be 6. Is it like a... And this answer was 5, man. How do you get 5? I think you're overthinking. Oh, man. How am I overthinking? One, two, three, 6 B's total, and then 9 A's total. But this answer would be 5. So I'm trying to think, how do I get 5, man? And this answer would be 6. I don't know, man. So I guess maybe we need like some ratio. It's like 2 B's to 3 A's. Maybe that's 5. 2 B's to 3 A's, man. And this is 2 B's to 3 A's. 2 plus 3 is 5 is what I'm saying. And this is wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is 12 and 6. This is 1B to 2 A's. I don't know, man. I guess I don't know what to do. LeetCode just needs to do me a solid and rate this contest. Did I try brute force? Brett, what's happening? No, this is not a live contest. This is I missed the live contest. This is the virtual one. Brute force. I mean, like, just trying every possible anagram size. Essay 9, how are you doing? Every length that divides a full length. Yeah, Brett, that's kind of like what I was thinking initially, but then now, like, I don't know what to do. So I was thinking of finding all the lengths that divide, or, you know, all the chunks that could divide the whole length. But then I was thinking like binary searching on that, but then it just seemed like a complicated solution to do that. But maybe the brute force might not be so complicated. And I wasn't sure about the binary searching on it. So I was thinking of creating some type of array of every possible thing that could divide the length. So in this case, this length is 18. I'd have 1, I don't know, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And then I'd try and binary search from, I guess, 18. 18 would always work. And then I'd try like somewhere in the middle. But maybe I can just start from the smallest and go all the way up. You don't have the monotonic itty. Yeah, that's why I kind of stopped pursuing this idea of binary search, because just because one doesn't work, it doesn't mean that something smaller or bigger should work, you know? So I kind of like went away from that idea. Yeah, this is why I abandoned that. But I never thought to do just brute force by starting with the smallest ones. Man, I don't know what this guy's about. Eclipse of Hearts. Do I gotta time you out, man, or should I just let that slide? I don't know, man. I'm gonna give you a chance because you're not trying to sell me. Oh, Q ain't having that. I was about to say he ain't trying to sell me like followers or something. So it's not that bad, but anyways, You would have banned him, yeah. Well, that's why Q gets paid the big bucks. Alright, so... yeah, this question got me stumped, I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie, man. Thank you, Q. So should I try the simulation way? I don't know how so I just try a size of 1 to see if they're all the same. Maybe then I try chunks of 2 to see if they're all the same. And chunks of 3 to see like if the count is all the same. I mean, I could try it, man. But why? I'm not convinced that that would work. Because what if that the only thing that works is the whole thing, you know? Maybe it can be proven that maybe it's something like with the 26 letters that nah. Because you could have something like A times 100 or 99,000 and then you just have one B at the end. Right? And then this, in this case, I would try like every number that can divide into 100K. How many things is that? Is that a lot? Anyways, should I just try and implement that and then move on with my life? So how do I find every number that can be divisible? I guess we only have to go to like n over 2. I don't ever know if I have to put parentheses here or not, man, but I'll do it just in case. How do I check if a size is good? That's what I need to know. I suppose we can just have what? What am I talking about, man? Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a frequency map of size, or a vector int of size 26, or frequency count, or I'll just call it freak. And I just gotta make sure they're all equal all the way through, right? So maybe I'll iterate like this first, just to fill up the first chunk. And then I'll iterate from what am I doing, man? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm trying to increment my count here. And then that's the size. So if size is equal to the size, the chunk, man. All right, if we're at the chunk size, right, we want to compare the frequency. Cold box, thank you very much for the follow. This is kind of, I'm gonna name this first chunk or something. So this is like the first chunk, and we just want to make sure that all of these chunks are the same. So if this is not equal, then maybe we should just break. Right? But then if it is equal, then we should reset this to how do I reset that, man? How do I clear it? Is it like that? I don't even know the syntax. Cold box. What's happening? I'm prepare C language for test 2. Dang, you're studying C. Interesting. I'm just doing LeetCode problems. I'm not really studying for a test. I don't know if this syntax is right. So if we're at the chunk size, if it's not equal to the first, then we should break. And it will continue to the next chunk size. Right? I don't know, man. Let me see what's up. 2-1, 2-4. How is 1 gonna work there? Oh, maybe like this. Yeah, so it's not gathering the whole thing. Oh, I see why. We gotta push back the whole length also. D Casa SV. Thank you very much for the follow. So 2-4. Should I just send that, man? I'm not very satisfied with this. Feels like it shouldn't work, but Brett told me to do it, so I'm gonna just submit, man. Oh lordy. I should have tested it more, maybe. Nah, this should not work. How do I get 1? How did I get 1? Oh, snap, I see. I think I see. No. Well, yeah, I didn't reset the size, right? Alright, let me see what's up. Man, so that did work. I had a bug, though. I don't know if I would have thought about this on a contest, man. I think I'd have done probably terrible seeing how many people got accepted here. Should I look at the next one? $244. I don't know if I should even look at that. Seems the test cases for the anagram problem were very bad. Yeah, that's what I've been hearing. The ACs are high because wrong solutions passed. There's a GCD solution that works. Oh, like it accepts, but it shouldn't. Oh man. I think maybe I was on that path in Rosys because I was starting to like look at the numbers and try to find some pattern there with a GCD. Yeah, I think I was I think I was down that path, man. AABB would break a ton of answers. Yeah, let me think about that, Brett. Let me think about that with what I was going to do. I was on some junk like this, you know. So you're saying so that is the chunk. Was that B. Becca changes LeetCode name? Oh snap, did he? I guess he don't want people snooping on him all the time, man. Yeah, I didn't know that he changed his name. Maybe I'm like checking out his profile too much or something. Pat's whiteboard script broke. I see. This was a GCD meme. Right. I think I saw people talking about GCD. Dang. B. Becca. Man, B. Becca is basically a guardian, though. B. Becca made it to a guardian before me, I'd say. But I still got time, man. I got to the end of this year. Alright, I don't think I can do Q4 because of how many people solved it. But let me read it real quick. You're given an integer array nums.
Can't believe it's been a year.
Oh,
hello,
man.
Simon.
Oscar, whoo! Dang, thank you very much.
Can't believe it's been a year. Hello, Simon.
Man, why not talk twice? Said it 2 times, but Oscar, who, thank you very much for the sub. It's been a year. It's a long time, man. Dang, B. Becca going off the grid. Oscar who, thank you very much. 3 stars. So what we're doing, we're trying to read this problem. You're given an integer array nums and 2 integers, cost 1 and cost 2. You are allowed to perform either of the following operations any number of times. Choose an index I from nums and increase nums I by 1 for a cost of cost 1. Choose two different indices, I, j, from nums, and increase nums I and nums j by 1 for a cost 2. Return the minimum cost required to make all elements in the array equal. Since the answer may be very large, return mod prime number. So choose 1 or choose 2. I mean, it sounds like some kind of crazy DP, take it or leave it, as the base of this problem, but it's probably really hard to implement. And I don't know how you'd choose two different indices. And man, constraints tell me like it's impossible for me. So I don't even know if I should think about this problem right now. Maybe I should try, I don't know, should we do LeetRooms? Or I could try another virtual contest. I'd have done pretty bad at this one if I took this contest. Like, I don't even think I'd have gotten Q3. Anyways, what are y'all saying? Oh, look, it's Bet Simp. Very nice, very nice. I just saw that. All right. Should we do LeetRooms? Let's try LeetRooms, man. I don't feel like to do another virtual. I'm tied for last with everyone else. Dang. +0. Yeah. I feel the pain. Alright, how does LeetRooms work? Man, I'm also super sleepy. My sleep schedule hasn't normalized yet. I've been waking up early and stuff. Alright, here we go. New room. Let me... Just mediums and hards, 60 minutes. So there's a solution using divisors. What? Let me check it out. What was it, this one? That Enrosis posted? Oh no, this is the thing that didn't work. Yes. Interesting. Oh, Smart Coder posted it here. Man, yield? I don't know what yield is. I think this is the same solution, man. Because I did this part, and then, I mean, I don't read Python that well, but it looks like, yeah, it looks like the same thing I just wrote, except in this one, you loop through all of the divisors, where as soon as you found one that worked, you could just return true or return the answer. Anyways, that's just the same solution that you have. Yeah, I thought so. I wasn't sure. Python generators. I don't know much about that. That's why Smart Coder was fighting so hard for this to be unrated. Wait, what? Anyways, LeetRooms. That's what we're trying to do, man. That's what we're trying to do right now. We got shortest path with alternating colors. Where will the ball fall? We got count different palindromic subsequences, and we got fancy sequence. I think I gotta try some hard problems, man. So here we go. Count different palindromic subsequences. Given a string S, return the number of different non-empty palindromic subsequences in S. Since the answer may be very large, return it mod prime number. A subsequence of a string is obtained by deleting 0 or more characters from the string. A sequence is palindromic if it is equal to the sequence reversed. What the hell? That's a crazy example to give. So I say B, C, C, B. The answer is 6. How do I do this, man? So B, C. What's your favorite language or second favorite language after C++? I don't really know any languages anymore, but I'd say Python, I guess. Even though I don't really know Python, but sometimes I switch to Python in LeetCode when I know like C++ will give me troubles, but I haven't done that recently. Count different palindromic subsequences. How do I not double count things? I don't know what to do here. Palindrome DP. That's what it feels like, maybe. Subsequences. Alright, let's try to science this one out, man. I'm thinking of doing some type of left-right two-pointer thing, and then what? Like, no, I don't like this. I don't like this. Petite code, what's happening? Thank you, thank you. I'll be back temporarily, I think. So I'll be streaming on Wednesday. I'll be streaming this weekend, and next week I plan to stream on next Monday and next Wednesday, and then I'm out again for like a week. And then after I get back, I'll be back temporarily and then I'm out again for like a couple weeks or maybe even more. So my availability for the next month or two is gonna be a little bit not that great. Man, I don't know what to do. Oh wait, they say it's either A, B, C, or D. They didn't tell me that, man. They just told me that. So I wonder what that means for us. A, B, C, or D. That has to be key. But then we can only count things once. B, C, and B is counted only once, even though it occurs twice. So then how come? I don't know. I don't know why that's only counted once. Yeah, I don't know what to do for this problem, man. It's too hard. A, B, A. So I guess we have A, B, C, D, and then like A, 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 A. A. Should I read a hint, man? Or should I just keep thinking for a little bit? I'll keep thinking for a little bit. How can I use DP to solve this? What would my states be? I guess where my index is. Maybe it would be like how many palindromes ending at a certain index. How many palindromes ending at index 3? Yes, there is 1. 2. Nah, I don't know what to do. Should I look at topics? I already knew that those topics. Should I read one hint? Or is it too soon for a hint, man? Let me check. Let me check zero track. I'm not supposed to do this. It's probably not even on zero track because it's such a low number. Yeah. Palindromes and DP, I'm not very good at. Oh, best, what's happening? Most hard DP problems just make no sense to me. Yeah, I think me too. Most hard problems are just too hard for me. Two sequences are different if there is some I for which AI not equal to BI. So, alright, I'm thinking about these 2 pointers, but I don't even know what to do with them. Because this 2 pointer thing is for like longest palindromic subsequence. But we have to count the different ones. How does that work, man? So like if L and R are equal, that means, I guess that means we have I mean, it could be 1 or it could be 2 palindromes here. Because it could be just B by itself, or it could be B and B. Then what? Do we just increment 1? Decrement 1? I can't think how this would work. Or is it like a DP where I go through each index and it's like I take it or I leave it? And there's only 4 characters, so I don't know how to use this to my advantage either. Like knowing that there's only 4 characters there. Yeah, I'm not sure. Like, do I have to... Anybody in here? Oh, Brett's in here. It's too easy for Brett. Sheep Intern, thank you very much for the follow. I might need a hint here, man. I might need to read one hint. Oh, that looks like a powerful hint. Should I read it? I'm gonna read it. Let dpij be the answer for the string t equals s I to j plus 1. Alright, here we go. Read the dang hints and see if I can make something from the hints. Oh, man. So DP, let me put some indices here. For the number of unique characters. What? t equals that substring, including the empty sequence. The answer is the number of unique characters in T plus palindromes of the form I don't know. I've been writing so much C++ lately, I'm going crazy. Why are you going crazy, man? What have you been doing C++ for? Man, I might have to look at the answer for this one or go to the next one. Fancy sequence. Unreal Engine stuff, lots of templates, meta programming. Dang, so you're doing like game dev stuff, huh? I don't know anything about game dev. Alright, so let me look at a simple example. Example 1. dp ij answers the number of unique characters in T. I think this problem is too hard for me, man. Too hard. And sometimes these hints don't really work well for me because I do my DP top down. And I feel like all the hints are geared towards bottom-up DP people. Let me see if I can attempt Q4, man. Oh, no. Not one of these problems. I dislike these types of problems. I'll read it, though. Write an API that generates fancy sequences using the append, add all, and mult all operations. Append appends an integer val to the end of the sequence. Add all increments all existing values in the sequence by an integer inc. Mult all multiplies all existing values in the sequence by an integer m. Get index gets the current value at index 0 index of the sequence. If the index is greater or equal than the length of the sequence, return -1. Icy Black Deep, what's happening? I have some stuff that uses ASIO for sockets, and when I break into my callback function and the stack is like 20 calls deep, I have serious questions whether this modern stuff is really that amazing. That's a lot of callbacks, man. I don't really know much about the sockets and C++. I feel like I really don't know C++, man. I barely know things. Like, if I had to go write some program in C++ right now, I wouldn't even know where to begin, man, because there's so much tooling at work. Like, I don't have to set things up. I just press the button and it compiles, you know? Like, I don't have to set up anything, really. And I think I tried to like use boost once, and then I couldn't figure it out, man, and I just gave up, and I felt really bad. Modern stuff is just classic stuff hidden by many layers of other stuff. Is that so? Man, I'm feeling extra lazy today. Extra lazy. You just include boost in your project and find the part you need when you have a need and hope you can find an example because the docs are pretty sparse. Yeah, I forget what I was trying to do with boost. Maybe I was trying to use some WebSockets or something. But this was a while ago. This was like, I think this was before I even started to work like with C++. Boost tokenizer. What is that? How old is Boost now? Yeah, is Boost still like popular? I don't know, man. I don't know much. Alright, so there's 10 to the 5th calls, and alright, let me look at this example. So append 2, add all 3, append 7. Mults all 2. So that's 5, and then 10. And then that's to get index 0, and then add all 3. So that should be like 13. And so that was 14, 17. This is why I don't like these problems, man. It's hard to like read what the hell is going on. Pen 10, mult all 2. Alright, where do I begin? How do I don't know how I'd solve this one. These are all 100. I feel like you gotta do something to figure out like how much you should be adding. Man, my brain ain't working, that's for sure. Pretty much everything new in C++ starts out in boost. Man, Icy Black Deep, how long have you been coding in C++, man? And have you been only doing C++ your whole career, or what? I feel like everybody's feeling lazy today, man. Including everyone watching. Brett isn't even trying the hards. Nobody's in the room. My brain ain't working. C++. I attempted this problem before. Wait, what's that dang noise? Hector HSC. Thank you very much for the bits, man. Uses a very clever technique. Wait, I've attempted this before? How do you know that? It can't. Hold up. Let me add these bits, man. Thank you very much, Hector HSC. You got too many diamonds, man. I gotta like give you some big diamonds one day. You read the problem and said I can't do it? Yeah, that sounds like something I'd say. Venice technique? I've never heard of that technique before. I did have one project in VB6. Interesting. C++, then C# with legacy C++. What does that mean, man? Alright, so I'm thinking... Wait, what? Should I look up this technique, BetSimp? Venice technique? Is like something that I would probably never come up with on my own. Otherwise, you'd have to seg tree this. Yeah, definitely can't do that, man. Venice technique, motivation and problem. Recently saw this problem. For some, this problem might seem like a segment tree problem, and it is indeed one. However, this problem and others where segment trees does not apply can be solved using another approach. I will rephrase this problem in a simpler way. We want a data structure capable of doing 3 main update operations and some sort of query. The 3 modify operations are add, remove, update all. This one normally changes in the case subtract x from all elements. For this technique, it is completely required that the update is done to all the values in the set equally. And also for this problem in particular, we may need one query, get min. Give me the smallest number in the set. Oh, that's a lot of reading, but where's the TLDR, man? With a try. Water level. Multi-set. So you update all, you increase the water level. You add Venice technique, I see, with the water level. So when you add all, let me look, because like when we add this 7, we're not adding this 3. To the thing, right? So how do you know? I don't know. Boolean cube, what's happening? It's basically like lazy updates. Oh, Boolean cube, I'm struggling today, man. There's some problems giving me a lot of trouble. Like this one. Apparently I need to know a segment tree to solve this. Or a technique called, what was it called? the Venice technique that BetSimp told me about. Means all new stuff is C#, but still have an older project to keep going that's C++. Also, it got ported to Linux. So really will stay that way. Time to switch back to the good old... What is that, man? What are you talking about, smart coder? What's the technique? Yeah, I don't really know what the Venice technique is, but I saw this post on Code Forces. Should I read? Oh, wait. I didn't see the full technique, I guess. So you add something. Ads, man. I know. Ads. Wait, can I link that? I don't even know if I can link that, man. I think I linked the wrong thing. How do I... I'm such a terrible streamer. I don't know how to... Alright, here we go. No ads on YouTube. Multi-set. So imagining we have, how can we tackle this problem? Maybe I should like read what the hell the problem is that they're doing. Alice likes snow a lot. Unfortunately, this year's winter is already over, and she can't expect to have any more of it. Bob has thus bought her a gift, a large snowmaker. He plans to make some amount of snow every day. On day I, he will make a pile of snow of volume V and put it in her garden. Each day, every pile will shrink a little due to melting. More precisely, when the temperature on a given day is T, each pile will reduce its volume by T. If this would reduce the volume of a pile to or below 0, it disappears forever. All snow piles are independent of each other. Note that the pile made on day I already loses part of its volume on the same day. In an extreme case, this may mean that there are no piles left at the end of a particular day. You are given the initial pile sizes and the temperature on each day. Determine the total volume of snow melted on each day. Neymar fan, what's happened? Started doing Code Forces? Nah, man, not really. I'm just trying to read about this technique, but I don't know if I have the brain juice right now and like the focus right to like try and learn something new. I'm struggling to understand what's going on here. And how it applies to the other problem. So the first line is the number of days. So we got 3 days. Second line is the initial size of the snow pile. And the third line is where T is the temperature on day I. Man, is this problem supposed to be like super hard or something? Or is it like super easy? It's only a B. But it's like VK cup. I don't know what that is. When the temperature on a given day is T, each pile will reduce its volume. Oh, so each day the pile total volume of snow melted on that day. Okay, so on day 1, five piles. On day 2, it's 5 from here and then 7 from there. It's rated 1600, so it should be tough. Yeah, I'm not really used to like Codeforce's ratings because 1600 on LeetCode means like it's pretty easy, right? So this pile has 0 snow left now after day 2. This only has 3 snow left. And then, so we take 2 from there, 2. Okay, so I see what's happening here. I understand this problem now. Now let me look at the code that they're talking about. So we iterate through the things. So we add the volume to the set. We update all. $1,600 on Codeforces easily get guarded on LeetCode. Dang. Maybe I should start doing Codeforces, man. Total is the set size times the okay. Some elements were already less than TI, so we're probably counting more than what we really subtracted. So we look for all those elements. All right. So this is like if there is unlimited snow to melt in the piles. But some piles could evaporate completely and there's nothing else left to melt. So we gotta find those. So while the minimum then you remove and then you remove it from the thing. I see. Okay, this makes sense now. At least for this problem, it makes sense. But how do I apply this to this? How do I use this technique on this problem? So the add all. Increments all existing values in the sequence by an integer. I'm not sure. I might just like read some hints here. Use two arrays to save the cumulative multipliers at each time point and cumulative sums adjusted by the current multiplier. Oh lordy, dang, Brett just finished everything in this dang room. I can't even solve any of them. Should I just look at Brett's solutions, man? Let me see what Brett did for the palindrome one. Not feeling too great today. What the hell is this, man? Cash abuse? Is that abuse? Let me think what is going on here. So if it's greater, return 1. I don't know why. But if it's equal, return 2. I don't know why yet. So you get a substring. Well, first, alright, we start from the ends. What the hell? So we start with 2 pointers at either end. And then we take the substring. Okay. What does this mean, man? I guess it's like if there's no A or B, anyways, this problem too hard for me. Can't even understand Brett's solution, really. Oh, Brett, this is my cleaner one. Yeah, this palindrome one, Brett, I couldn't make any sense of how to do it. And even reading your code, like, I'm not too sure what's happening, you know? Take or leave, kind of. So Ep13, what's happening, man? Heard big tech is moving work to India. That is kind of true, man. LR is number of palindromes for indices between L and R inclusive. It is either empty, one letter, or multi-letter. It's empty. How is it empty? Oh, it's empty if L is greater than R. Right? Or no, I don't know. If multi-letter, you choose A, B, C, D as the outside letter and recurse. Yeah, I'm not too sure I get this one, man. Maybe I should have stuck with some easier problems today since it's like my first day back. But man, today has been rough to try to solve these problems. Do I think we're going to have to hunker down in our current jobs for the next 2 years? Oh, smart code, little tap racer. Yeah, Hepta 5, man. Good thing I enjoy my job and I like the team I'm on. So, like, I don't really think about switching jobs right now. But man, if I was on a team that I didn't like and I just wanted a new job, it would be super stressful in today's market, you know. Feel burnt out, dang. 3 years is so long. Never stayed this long. What's your workload like? Like how many hours do you work a week? And are you remote? Are you like fully remote? Do you go into the office? I'm curious, man. Do you like your team also? Do you get along with them? It's not the workload, it's the work that is boring. Oh man, boring work. All right, let's do a little type racer. Team is chill, but the work is so mundane. How do you say that word, man? Mundane.
Mundane.
It really just depends on the area of the market you want to work in. Tech software is flat. Embedded medical finance is still hiring, but people overlook it. Well, ham sandwich, what's happening? I think people generally want to like keep the pay that they're getting or like get a pay bump. But maybe if you're already in like a tech company and you go to like some medical company or finance company, you're gonna take a big pay cut maybe, you know? So it's like, well, I don't know. I've never really tried to jump jobs, but I think other industries don't pay as much. Interesting work at AWS, just crummy workload. I want to boomerang back. Dang, you like AWS that much, you'd go back. So you don't think AWS burnt you out, Hepta 5? Sounds like you like that type of party. Would you leave Google for AWS if offered 200K more? Man, I don't know if I would, Hepta 5. Because I feel like if I did that, say goodbye to streaming and content creation, you know? And then I'd like have to just continue working for a long time. But at Google, I feel like I have an option of like working on my own stuff while I'm working there, you know? So this is, I don't know. This is tough to answer. But for like early starters, lots of companies are still paying 120 to 150K if you don't care to live in a major area. 150K is balling in the Midwest. Yeah, it is. Government service is the best. Is it? I don't know. I've never worked in government. Oh, don't defense. Oh man, I didn't even link the thing, man. Chill. All right, let me link the type racer. First race is a warm-up. Second race is the championship round, man. Get the money. Man, I think I somewhat agree, but I don't think I'd burn my midnight oil too much for a corporation. I think I want to save all that juice for myself and like just go hard on my own thing, because I feel like you only have a certain amount of gas in the tank before you completely burn out. And I don't want to waste all that gas on a corporation, you know. I want to save that gas for my own engine, man. All right, first race, just a warm up. $200K is like 17K per month more. Yeah, but you probably can only keep up that pace for 1-2 years or something before like your gas is now gone, man. And I don't know how much gas I got left in my tank, and I don't think it's a renewable resource, you know. So you could burn all that gas and get an extra 200K for like 1 year, maybe 2. Or maybe you can save that gas and make more if you build something crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to like type and talk, and it's really hard. Do you do trading also? No, I don't really trade. But I do buy stocks. My standard of living stalled at 80K. I started shoveling cash into investments and still would have 20K in my check-in after bills. All right. Championship round. Here we go, man. Here we go, championship round. Who's ready for this? I'm ready. Let's go. Man, that was a tough passage. Dang, smart coder. Champion. Congrats, smart coder. 92, pretty slow, but I'll take it, you know. I had to switch keyboards right before because my main one got messed up. Dang. All right, smart coder, congrats on the championship, man. How much was that? Dang, 92? Jeez. Man, I know you won one before. You won 2. This is your 3rd championship, man. Alright. It's crazy. Crazy happenings today, man. Real Raymond Jones got a championship. Smart Coder got a championship. What are the odds in the same day? It's like I've never seen anything like this before. I was second twice, yeah. Put hard passage? Nah, I ain't gonna put that, man. I guess it was kind of hard, but it wasn't super hard, man. I guess there's another hard, but I'm too tired to type fast. Got promoted and they working me too much. Dang, promoted. Q. Congrats. I don't live that frugal. I just don't get DoorDash every other day. I have 2 houses and a bunch of hobby toys. Dang, mega balling out there, man. I got no houses and a bunch of hobby toys. Man, I don't even feel like doing any LeetCode anymore right now. I feel like to just chill, but I don't know. I DoorDashed every day for a month. Q, what are you doing, man? That's crazy. That is financially irresponsible, Q. I can't believe you did that. I feel bad just to DoorDash one time a month. Like, I almost never DoorDash, you know? Unless I'm special occasion or something like that. Or if like DoorDash gift cards are on super sale, then I'll buy some. But I try and like cook food as much as I can. Alright, what should I do if I'm not gonna LeetCode? Should I try and understand Brett's solution a little bit more? It's either empty, one letter, or multi-letter. If multi-letter, A, B, C, D as the outside letter. I don't know if I understand it. Anyways, it's a bad habit. Yeah, it's a crazy bad habit. I had a spell of doing it for a week, and when I added it up, I had a single tear come out of my eye. It's like a $60 meal now. Dang. After a month, I noticed that my food budget was in the 4-digit range. Dang, it's crazy. Nah, DoorDash is super pricey, man. That's for sure. Man, should I just do like some zero tracks? I'm feeling like a dang 1800 right now. Maybe 1815. Just nah, not 8. Maybe I'll just do something that doesn't look too bad. Let's do bets. All right, let's do like one bet. What should the bet be? Maybe can I in 10 minutes solve a 1600 problem? Or 1550? 1650. 1550 to 1650. Does that sound reasonable? Maybe in 7 minutes. I mean, I don't even remember how to set these bets up. Can I one shot seven minutes, maybe? Let's make it 5 minutes. 5 minutes, man. 2 minutes. There you go. There's a bet. If y'all want to bet, man. So, are you gonna attend this week's contest? Yeah, I should. I should for sure. And ads coming up. you can watch on YouTube to skip the ads. Oh man, what the hell? Petite Code's about to get super rich right now on this bet. Easy money. Don't Defense coming in for that money too. So I don't know which problem I'll do yet. Here are the rules. I'll hit generate once the bet thing is done, and then I'll go to zero track and I'll find the first problem that is greater than or equal to that random number. And if I've already solved it, then I'll roll again. I'll generate a new number and do it again. That's how it's gonna work. So you guys got 1 more minute to bet, and then we're gonna see if I can solve a dang 1600 rated problem in 5 minutes. All right. Any last bets coming in? Oh lordy. First day back is always tough, you know. All right, here we go. Random number. What is it gonna be? 1587 seems a little easy. All right, have I solved it? I don't think I have. Oh shit. Let me exit this. Hold on. Let me try and get that there. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh wait, I gotta put on emotes only chat real quick. All right, now I'm ready. 5 minutes though. That is not that much time. Here we go. Go. You're given a 2D integer array groups of length n. You're also given an integer array nums. You're asked if you can choose n disjoint subarrays from the array nums such that the ith subarray is equal to the groups whatever is blah 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 before the ith subarray nums. I don't even know what they're talking about, man. I can't solve this in 5 minutes. What are they asking? So they give us this thing. What are they talking about, man? Choose n disjoint subarrays from the array nums. Oh, wait. I didn't even look at nums. Such that the ith subarray is equal to groups I. The ith subarray. Oh, so we gotta find. Okay. Oh lordy. Man, time's almost already up. Group's length equals to n. So it's like we just gotta see. Oh. Dang, I don't know what to do, man. I'm too hungry to think. groups. Man, I don't think I can do this in time, man. Oh, man. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to like see if all the numbers are equal to that. But how do I get like a sub vector, you know? Man, time's gonna run out for sure. I don't have much time, so I'm just gonna send this. Let's see. This ain't working for sure. All right, it ain't working, man. It ain't working. My bad. Can't do anything today. Today is a terrible day for me. All right, let me choose. Yeah, this wouldn't even work because I should have like incremented to the end of that group or something, you know. But let me choose a bet. And then, man, everybody's making money today. Can I one shot in 5 minutes? No, I can't. What was the question? From YouTube. Here's a question. So, what? I don't even know what my error was. It's like, I guess I can't do this. Cannot create vector larger than max size. Anyways. Let me see. I was just trying to I was trying to do something like this, I guess. This might be off by one by a lot. Lofi, thank you very much for the follow. I don't even know, man. I feel like my brain just is not working today. Can't even. Simon's terrible. What you talking about? No good, very bad day. Yeah, vacation brain, man. We're doing LeetRooms. I don't know if we're doing anything right now, man. That's why I never go on vacation. Yeah, vacation brain is real. Same. Norwegian Oiler, how you doing? Aflo Baton, thank you very much for the follow. Yeah, I take like 1 week, or I guess it's been more than a week. It's been like 10 days. I take 10 days off and I can't even solve anything, man. I haven't solved one problem today except that linked list problem. Midnight Sam, we're about to pull in 8-second quarter mile. Man, are you like street racing, Norwegian Oiler? Like, anyways, I have an LS swapped Porsche 928. Dang, what the hell, man? Where do you live, Norwegian Oiler? Are you in a, sounds like America or something. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. I'm in Australia. Dang. Sounds like Norway. Oh, that's one of them old ass cars. What's an LS? Is that like a dang Corvette motor? Is like a LS1 or something? What car did this come in? The LS stuff. It's a Chevy engine. LS3. Camaro or Corvette. Dang, that sounds crazy, man. It's good because you can get a lot of parts. Mine came from a Camaro. Man, how much? This sounds dangerous, actually. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Corvette. Heavy-ish. Not super heavy, but compared to Japanese cars, heavy, I guess. I think my Civic was like sub 2000. I had a Civic, man. I had a Civic with a K20 and a big turbo. And I think my car weighed in like maybe just around 2,000 pounds, man. Yeah, I told you a while back. Yeah, it's been a while since I talked about it. Do you guys see Hades 2 came out? Oh yeah? Dang. Hades 2 came out. Early access. Dang, 10 out of 10. No, I gotta go play it right now, man. Overwhelmingly positive. Jesus. What would I expect? Nothing less. I played this dang game so much. Hades 1. I beat that thing like 3 times. They're doing better than Helldivers. Yeah, man, I'm sad to see Helldivers go down like that, man. You need to beat it 10 times? Nah, I beat it tons of times. I don't remember how far I got, but I had a problem with that game, man. I had to quit that game. It was so addicting. It's about Hades 1 was about like, I guess you play, what's his name? Zagreus? Zeus's son? Not Zeus. I don't even remember whose son. Who was the dad? Who's Maybe it's Hades, maybe. Maybe it's Hades' son is Zagreus, right? Yeah, the name of the dad is the name of the game. Come on, man. And then the son is trying to escape hell or the underworld. And every time he tries, he just dies. And as you keep playing the game and he gets stronger and stronger. So you get closer and closer to beating it, and then eventually you're able to beat the game and escape hell. Maybe. Diablo 2. Man, I haven't played Diablo 2 in a long time. Never played Helldivers. Helldivers was fun. I played it for maybe like 30 hours or something. You get stronger and stronger and you still die when you leave the underworld. You can't be giving out spoilers like that, man. Can you? Man, Diablo 3 was good. I played Diablo 3 many times over the course of like however long, 10 years or more. Diablo 4, I didn't play that much. Yeah, my chat is supposed to be a spoiler-free zone, man. Anyways, what a terrible day for LeetCoding. It was just a little warm-up day, I guess. Wednesday hopefully will be a little bit better. But man, I'm gonna be like not streaming that much over the next month or two. So I don't know if my rating is gonna go up anymore, man. Until after summer or something. So I gotta figure out a nice balance between like training LeetCode and streaming and YouTube and work and all of these things. Why are you not streaming? I'll be traveling. Doing anything fun other than streaming? Not really. I guess I play video games. I suppose that's fun. Sometimes. But I think like trying to make these YouTube videos is fun, even though I haven't released any dang YouTube videos yet. But I'm like stockpiling a lot of footage and B-roll. So when I do actually put my first video out, I think there'll be a lot more coming after that. Where are you traveling? I'm traveling to Zurich in Switzerland. Yeah, I'm just trying to like balance my time between everything. Maybe I got too much going on. Sometimes I feel like that. I have a friend who just moved to Zurich. Dang. I don't know if that's good or bad, because I hear Zurich is kind of boring. Have you played Ants Took My Eyeball? Never even heard of that, man. Oh, 9 out of 10. Almost overwhelmingly positive, but only 93 reviews. Never heard of this game. Yeah, what else do I do that's fun? Yeah, I guess just video games. And editing videos now. Anyways, I gotta work my way back up to the LeetCode. Taking a break like 10 days just really throws me off. Not just from LeetCode, but even like this whole streaming thing doesn't feel too right yet. I guess once I'm back in my groove, things will get to normal. But for now, we'll see. This might be like the slow season the next few months for the stream. What else is happening? I guess work is about to get busy also. I think we got some big deadlines coming up in September. So I'm gonna be busy doing that. I gotta find time to study to train for Guardian though, man. I can't not get Guardian again this year. Anyways, that might be it for me. Oh, Robo Dumb. Yeah, I need a dang Peloton, man. I need to start exercising. I'm getting too old to not exercise and eat healthy. So that's like another thing that I'm gonna have to add into my schedule. Just run? Nah. My joints can't be handling all them running things at my age, man. That's what they tell me. So I need to be cycling or swimming, you know? But I ain't swimming, that's for sure. No way. If I swim, that means it's not happening. Because I gotta find a pool. I gotta go to the pool to swim. Like, there is a 0 chance I'm gonna leave my house to go swimming. At your man, how old are you? Rorwell, you're like 1 year older than me. Under 40, not for long, man. I am definitely under 80. I don't know what you're talking about. Not under 80. Soon to be 40. Dang. Walking, running is amazing. I mean, I walk to work already. But the thing is, I don't want to mess up all my joints with running. I don't know. I used to skateboard a lot. Maybe I should start skateboarding again, man. Or longboarding. But I feel I'm too old for that too, man. One fall and it could be the end. Skateboarding is terrible? Wait, why is it terrible? Am I 60? I'm almost. I feel like I'm getting there, man. Wait, why is skateboarding hard? Is it bad on my joints? Is it putting a lot of stress on my joints? Or get a stationary... Yeah, I'm trying to get that Peloton, man. Peloton. I'm trying to like... I'm trying to rent one, actually. I'm not trying to buy one, man. Rent Peloton bike. Look at that. Rent the Peloton experience. 1 monthly cost. No commitment. Cancel or buy out at any time. And you pay $150 one-time delivery, and then you pay however much a month, and that's it. And then they say it comes with the cycling shoes for free. So it's like the one-time delivery fee is offset by the cycling shoes, you know. Steven Sagiball, what's happening? I'm back from Mexico. Dang. You went to Mexico, man. That's crazy. You went to Mexico, but you're scared to go to Japan or New York? That's wild. How was it, by the way? I didn't even know you went. I would just buy it if I wanted it. Why rent if you use it every day? Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it every day, Q. So my plan is I'll rent it, right? And then if I stop using it by the 2nd or 3rd month, I'm going to just call them and tell them come pick that shit up, man. But if by month 3, I'm still riding the dang Peloton, I'll just keep renting it, you know? Until I stop or something. Use it while you do LeetCode? Yeah, maybe. I went to where? Dang, that looks tight. Dang, you went You went to the other side of Mexico, man. You went to the Pacific side. Treadmill desk. Like running and LeetCode at the same time. Man, again, my old ass joints can't take the impact of running. Treadmills are awful. Why are they awful? Google has so many treadmill desks. Nah, but you gotta book it or something. Treadmills mess up your stride. Well, man, it looks like either I gotta get the Peloton bike, or what else they got? They got like the rowing machine or something. Should I go rowing? But Peloton isn't known for their row machines. They're known for their bikes, man. So why would I not get the bike? Oh, that could be me right there. Just rowing and LeetCoding. Yeah. Anyways. I like rowing machines. Oh yeah. Rowing machine is hardcore. There was 1 week in my life where I would wake up at 5 a.m. and go running. Had to stop because of shin splints. I have the same story, Steven Sagiball. It was more than a week though. I was doing it for months. But like the first 2 weeks I had to stop because shin splints. But after a while, I was able to run like 5K and stuff like that. Any exercise machine is good. Don't overthink it. Man, I've heard Peloton is like no other. People have been telling me like they've tried so many other machines, but just the feel of riding on the Peloton bike just makes them want to do it. And I don't know, like the build quality is nice and it just feels good to ride it, you know. That's what I've heard. I have a bunch of coworkers that rave about the Peloton, and they say like they've like tried other bikes and they don't use those bikes, but when they got the Peloton, they've been using it consistently, you know. For about 2 years, I ran about 3 miles every morning. Not sure why I stopped. I think I just got lazy. Yeah, probably. Row your hair gently down the drain. Man, I got a hair catcher, Gims. I ran 5K 5 times a week. Stopped because my knees started hurting. That's what I'm trying to say, man. You trying to tell me I'm too old. Smart Coder, you're younger than me. You talking about your knees hurting you. You trying to make me go running, mess up my knees, man? I ain't trying to do that. If you stick with it for a month, we'll all get bikes and Peloton stream on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Oh yeah, you can join my wolf pack or something. I hear you can have like a wolf pack on the Peloton, and then if you join the group, I don't know how it works, but apparently if you join the group and you're the only one who didn't work out, everybody else gets punished or something like that. No condom Chris, what's happening? Health and fitness streamer now. Man, I think I have to. I don't know if I'll stream that kind of stuff though. But I do need some type of exercise in my life, man. I wouldn't recommend running 5K every day. I used to run 5K every day back when I was not every day, like five times a week. Back when I was training to be a Marine, man. I used to have to go do PT with all the other candidates at like 5 a.m. every morning. You mean I can get occasional exercise and ruin it for everyone else? Nah, man. That's... I don't know how everyone else gets punished. But I'm interested to find out. Um, lost 20 pounds. The lowest weight I've ever been in my adult life is like 167 or something. This morning I weighed myself. I was at like 209 pounds, man. Before I left for vacation, I was around 204, 203 pounds. So in like 10 days, I gained like 6 pounds, man. I thought collective punishment was against the Geneva Convention, but I guess it doesn't apply. Man, what are you talking about? They do that for Navy SEAL training, right? How tall am I? I am 5'8", Brett. Not very tall. Maybe some might say I am obese. Like at 209 pounds. I'm short, man. What you talking about? I am pretty average. What are you really getting for training? Like, okay, a bit more fit. I'm trying to extend my life, man. What am I getting from training? I'm trying to get like 10 more years out of my life is what I'm trying to do, Gims. As you get older, your body can accumulate weight easier. Yeah, I've been seeing that happening, Robodom. Not to toot my own horn, but this is my Fitbit stat. Dang, 7,900 lifetime miles. I don't know how many miles I've walked or ran, but definitely not that many. Ad keeps getting... Dang. Ads keep getting stuck. Anyways, it's basically time for me to end stream right now. Dang, 6'2", 250. I'm trying to get down. I don't know. I think I just like to... My most normal weight, the majority of my adult life, I've been around 180 pounds. After COVID hit, I went up to like 230 pounds, man. Like during COVID, I should say. And then I've just never been able to get back to my regular weight after COVID. I don't know if that has anything to do with COVID or like getting old or a little bit of both. Lowest I got down to was 205. That was exercise every day. I'm not that much heavier than I used to be, but the weight definitely redistributed itself to my waistline. Interesting. Anyways, y'all, it's time for me to get out of here. Peloton. I'm about to order this Peloton right now. Off stream. If they can ship it before I go to Zurich, I'll buy it. But I'm about to rent it. I'm not about to buy it though. Peloton as a company kind of failing, so maybe I should rent it and then maybe they'll just cut their losses and they won't even bother to pick it up from me. But I heard the product is pretty good. You know, like people say there isn't anything quite like it. Say no to what is that? What do you mean by that, man? I don't know what that is. Get a Costco bike? Nah, come on now. Weight loss drug. I see. Nah, I don't do drugs, man. Kind of a GoPro thing. They saturated the market and now they're stuck. Yeah, so I guess the biggest thing I gotta figure out is, do I want the bike or do I want the bike plus I'm gonna get the bike plus, man. That's it. Dominoes. What? I should get some Dominoes right now. Any weight gain drug? Oh yeah, Dominoes. I see what you're saying, man. Weight gain drug, easy. Wingstop, Dominoes, all that stuff. Chocolate cake. Crunchy nerd, what's happening? Type Racer need a calorie burned counter. Yeah, I wonder how many calories you burn from one Type Racer. You have room in your place for a Peloton? I think so. It doesn't look like I could put it like right behind me, man, or something. Anyways, I gotta go.
What's up, y'all? I'm Cody Rigsby, and if you haven't heard about Bike Bootcamp, it is cardio on the bike and strength on the mat. I'm going to show you a fun little circuit that you might see in class. We're going to start with some forward lunges. You can do this with weights or without. Just give me your best. Our next movement is going to be an overhead. Great job.
I'm going to be like Pat's Hello World.
Fight for your best. Come on, please. Drop those weights. Feet come out and come down.
Man, I thought he was a bike instructor. He hasn't even gone on the bike. What the hell?
We're gonna start with some forward lunges.
How you gonna have a bike boot camp and you don't even use the dang bike, man? What kind of
Our next movement is
guy
gonna be
is
an
this?
overhead shoulder.
Anyways, he's not the one. He's not the one. Anyways, man. Mad Flash, what the hell, man? You can't be saying things like that. Unless you mean it in a good way, you know. Quirky Orcs, thank you very much for the follow. Gonna need to rent some dumbbells too, man. Maybe. anyways, I gotta go. I gotta get out of here. I don't even know why I'm still streaming. We could hit Brent Arata. What do you know? It's time to... Oh man, you know what? You know what I also got? Shit. I just got a dang Amex Platinum. Anybody need a referral code? I got a... Let me tell you, I got a dang Amex Platinum. With 175,000 bonus points, man. Yeah, $700 fee. But look at it, I got this offer, 175,000 bonus points. Why wouldn't I get that, man? Coding with strangers. Thank you very much for the raid. I was about to leave though. You raided me as I was about to raid somebody else. How's it going, man? Long time no see. Hope everything is going good. Anyways, I'm trying to talk about my new credit card. $700 annual fee, but man, I think I'm gonna use all those things up. Look, it comes with $200 hotel credit. Easy work. I'll use that, no worries. $200 Uber cash. I go to the airport all the time, man. I'm gonna use that, easy. $200 flights. Easy, super easy. Clear Plus credit. I'm gonna apply for this right now. Global lounge access. I'm gonna do that too because I'm always in the dang airport, man. I'm gonna take advantage of those lounges. And then $240 of streaming credit. So that's like, for sure, I'm gonna pay $240 in that. Walmart Plus credit. You know I'm gonna buy some dumbbells on Walmart right about now. Equinox, nah, I'm gonna let that one slide. I'm not gonna use that one because that's too expensive for me. Why? Equinox Best Gym? Man, because I'm about to buy a dang Peloton. No condom, Chris. Yeah, what's up, Coding with Strangers? I'm just talking about, I'm about to buy a Peloton. I just got a new credit card. And can I go for 1 month to Equinox or something? Yeah, I'm about to rent a Peloton. That's for sure. And then what else can I do? I can spend $100 at Saks Fifth Ave. I'm gonna do it, man. And then now I think I've used up all the $700 annual fee. But then I also have like 175,000 points. And I think this can buy me like 3 round trip tickets to Japan or something like that, you know. I don't think I would use any of this. Yeah, you gotta be like a somewhat of a big spender. He's about to research how to optimize Amex points. Man, I used to churn credit cards after you spend 8K. Man, 8K is a joke. 8K in 6 months? I don't even have to try to do that, man. That's like a few weeks of DoorDash. I don't do DoorDash. 7, yeah, I'm gonna cancel that shit after the first year because I only want, I think if it wasn't for the 175,000 memberships points, I wouldn't have done it. But man, this is a lot of points, you know. I don't know what kind of person keeps these cars with huge sign-ons and big fees. Yeah, it ain't me, man. It ain't me. I guess it's more like a status symbol. You know, you pull out that Amex Platinum and you feel like a real baller, man. Or I guess if you really travel a lot, like access to the lounges probably pays for itself with how much you'd save from not eating airport food, like paying for it. JZoned54, thank you very much for the follow. Oh, Pat's hello world, what's happened? Anyways, I was supposed to go raid somebody, man. We're supposed to go raid Brent Arato. And then Coding with Strangers, thank you so much for that raid, but I gotta go too. So we're just gonna have a little raid train. Oh, Pat's hello world. Too late, man. We're already raiding Brent Arato. And then I'm gonna go order this Peloton, man. I don't know yet. I mean, I should probably do it, man. 209 pounds. Come on. Can't be having that. So I gotta, alright, big goals this year, man. I gotta lose some weight and I gotta bench 225 by the end of the year. Like repping 225, not just like a max bench. kg, man, I don't know nothing about no kgs, man. 225 lbs. When you need to spend 8K in 6 months, so I guess just buy the bike. Nah, I don't need to do that. Only 5% of people bench 225. I'm about to be in the 5%, man. Hard to raise your bench when you're losing weight. I guess we'll see about that. I'm not trying to lose crazy weight though. Anyways, good night, everybody. No Counter Chris, Smart Coder, Icy Black Deep, Gims, Pats, Hello World. Everybody, Q Ultima. See you later. Thank you for tuning in. See you on Wednesday. Peace. Peace out, YouTube.